Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a new user and assign them roles in the CocolevioHR platform. Let's dive right in. First, log into your CocolevioHR account, and from the main menu, click on Settings. Then, select the Users tab. To start creating a new user, click Add User. Now, enter the user's name and their email address. You'll also need to assign them a role. You can do this by selecting an available role from the drop-down menu. Once you've filled out the details, click Add User to complete the process. This sends an invitation email to the user, prompting them to sign up and join your company. You can also update a user's display name for better identification. To do this, click Users and find the specific account you want to edit. Click the Edit button, enter their new display name, and then click Update User to save your changes. Now, if you want to assign a role to an existing user, you have two options. You can click on the Edit button after selecting a user. From there, choose a role from the drop-down list and click Update User to save your changes. Alternatively, find the user in the Users list and click the drop-down icon under the Role column. Select the appropriate role, and it will save automatically. And that's it. You've successfully created a new user and assigned them roles in CocolevioHR. Remember, it's crucial to establish the correct permissions and access for each user.